I'm mad at him. He's always running late. You go. So we're heading to breakfast at the farm. Everyone think that I know that was at Byron, or is at Byron, going to this place, so it's highly recommended. I was checking their menu last night for breakfast, and they have a Filipino sausage, so hopefully that is up to date. I'm quite curious what that is going to look like and taste like, but here we are. I think there's a bush turkey. Is that a bush turkey? Yeah, there it is. A bush turkey. All right, off we go to brekkie. We've arrived. They haven't given our table away, so it makes me slightly okay. But guess what's still in the menu? Oh my god, my nails are so bad. But anyway, that's what I am gonna get. What are you getting?
So she's completely okay and loves me again.
No, not quite.
I am going to try the bacon.
It's so busy in here, you guys. Like, everyone is in this place. It's a milk bar in there. We're gonna check out the rest of the farm later on. But here you go. Little pupper. Hit record. Hi. Okay. Wade, say hello. We're just going to roam around the farm, and it's very windy. My hat is gonna fly away.
Test it, it might not.
I don't want to risk it.
At least here it won't fall into a river.
True, but it might fly away into the wilderness.
Get dirty.
Okay, we should turn it around so people are probably more interested to see. How do you do that? How do you do? I don't know how to do it. See, like, okay, I'm getting stupid now. Fuck it. Stopping it now. The bin bird.
Those of you that live
The
in
bin
Sydney may
bird.
not see these regularly.
The bin bird. Alright, I'm gonna adjust the handle so it's gonna be shaky. I'm just gonna take that out.
And then we have some wild pigeons.
Something exciting is coming soon. That's what it says. They're not pigeons.
I know, they're ducks. But you know, pigeon sounds more. Look, more bin birds.
I reckon we should
And
go
pigs.
to the right.
They have pigs.
Where's the pigs? How do you know? Oh yeah, I can see. Let's go. Smells like pigs. Oh my, show you my new sandals that I bought. They're black and rubber. Shut up, don't tell them how much we bought it for. See, I said we bought it for because it was your money as well. Anyway, they're good. They're my summer. I bought 2 new summer sandals. Fuck, it smells. Sorry, I guess it is a farm after all. Oh man.
Your farts are worse.
That stinks. Huh?
They're pigs.
I know. Don't be mean to them. They call them pigs.
It's having a nice cool bath.
Oh, it is too.
Itself.
It is too.
They just gave it a mighty roll.
Let's go near them. Oh, shit. I don't want my hat going there.
I think it looked very stylish on them.
Babe, can you take photos and then send it to me?
Photos of you?
Hold on. Trust. When there are pigs, there are snakes. Let's go around. Can you go? Can we go that? There's nothing this way.
It's peeing in the bath.
Is it really? Of course. Let's go that way. Actually, I'm gonna take a photo.
Here we have the wild and exotic Mario
With my
in the
hat.
search of a designer store. It is her one true.
I'm I'm in my Outback outfit.
Her one true happy place is a designer store. She's really struggling out in the wild. But we have a few pigs over here. And again, more ibis. Where is the lion?
Right there.
So apparently there is a lion over there. I believe it is just a larger than the other pigs. Clearly, the wild Mariel has not been to a zoo before. This will not come up properly on camera, I assume, but they are beehives, and I am allergic, so I am not getting any closer.
Is that a video?
It's a video.
Can they see? You can zoom in if you want.
Thank you for allowing me to zoom in your camera.
How cute. They have horns.
Yes, of course they have horns.